Hello and welcome to my video. I want to walk through how to file sales and use tax in Maryland, and I don't have a demo account, so I'm going to use their their guide and talk through it. So when you go to Maryland Tax Connect homepage and go to marylandmdtaxconnect.gov, and you can do this as a guest. But if you are a business owner, you can do this yourself. You can also assign somebody, a professional, and you can set it up. But they have to have a TU number before they can do this for you. So you're gonna log in, and then you can get a warning message, and then you're gonna go to your dashboard, which shows general information. If there's any balances, they'll be down here. Here's the TU number I was talking about. And then next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on online services. And the next thing, this is just showing the profile. So you click on online services, click on file a form, and then it'll automatically enter your information here. I think you just need to put in your name, and then it'll automatically, and the sales tax, and it'll automatically fill in your ID, and you pick sales and use tax return. Click whether it's an original return or an amendment, and pick the period, and then click next. So this is it'll start with some general information, and then the main form is the sales and use tax 202. These other two you probably won't need to look at. So you're going to type in information here about your gross sales and whatever is taxable, that is taxable of 6%. And I think down here somewhere is alcohol is 9%. So you fill in these items, and if it's grayed out, that means it's going to fill it out itself. So if you have gross sales of 1,000, but only 900 of it is 6%, you put gross, and then you put 900 is going to have 6% against it, and then it'll calculate how much the tax will be. And then you put, if the other 100 was alcohol, you put that down here, and it will calculate the tax for you down here. 11A, alcoholic beverages. So say it was $100. If you have anything else, like digital products, vaping, whatever, and if you have information in these two forms, if you're a facilitator, or there's converted returns, but I don't ever use those two. So once you've entered how the gross sales and how much is connected to the 6% or the 9% or whatever, you're going to calculate, and it's going to calculate how much the taxes are, and then you save and continue, and then you click submit. It's going to give you a summary, and I would say yes, you do want to print this so that this will give you the actual form, the actual sales and use tax form. If you don't print it now, you won't get it. And then you hit next, signature, yes. And then you get your confirmation number, and you want to make a payment now, because if not, if you just file now, it takes about 3 days for the filing to get into the system. So if you file on the 20th and then you don't pay now, you might have to wait until the 23rd for it to be in the system so you can pay. So you can pay now, and then I'll give you information about which bank you're using. And if you want to use a new bank account, you can type it here. And you authorize it to pay and click submit. And then you confirm, and then you get a payment confirmation page. And I just take a screenshot of this and send it to my client so they see that the payment is in process. But like I said before, if you don't click on print earlier, you're gonna have to go back and figure out how to print it to get the actual tax form, and you need that too. Okay, so this is how you file the sales and use tax. Thanks for watching.